So guys, came across a momo shop. So 50 rupees, 10 momos. Okay. Where are you from?
Nepal.
Nepal. Nice. That's it. This is momos for 10 piece, 50 rupees with mayonnaise and some chili chutney in front of the Shaswamed Ghat, that plaza. Yeah, here it is. Let's go. You can see chillums. That handle 20 rupees. I will show you. That one 20 rupees he told. This is Tangal. Very different chillums.
Okay. Try to go now. Like a video.
Variety designs are there. Dragon. डाल दिया. So guys, that's Kashi. With the satisfaction of seeing the Ganga Aarti, we are leaving Kashi for now. We can go straight to highway now and look for next destination. Let's head for that journey. Let's go. This is the highway side, not really city side. There is one statue where we can go temples. Even this road will lead to temple by another way. Yeah. So guys, we are in a flyover sitting. Oh, there are things there. You can see flyover. Very deep down. You can see. Yeah. So just relaxing for some time. Then we'll continue as we get our next vehicle like that. Let's see. Still in highway walking. There we can see fireworks. It's not clear in mobile, but we can see it clearly over there from here. So guys, now we are going with him. He's gonna take us till some place. After that we'll be continuing again. Let's go. We are leaving Varanasi now, you can see. Thank you for visiting Varanasi. So we have exited the main city. It was a very good experience going to Kashi. Now on to the next journey. We have reached on to the main highway now. We are continuing. Let's go.
दिल्ली आ गए.
हाँ दिल्ली हाईवे. हाँ वो कोलकाता ना.
हाँ
वो वाली कोलकाता जाएगा ना.
कोलकाता.
हाँ. This is Kolkata Delhi highway. Now we are on Delhi highway actually. Yeah. Towards Delhi. No one is there in the road. Only some vehicles are passing at this time. It's night 12:32. We are going. So guys, he was telling like now it is not that much colder. During December time it will be much colder and the roads will not be able to see that much clearly due to the fog and other things. So what will you say? Yeah, the time will be taken more as it will be from 3-hour journey towards 5-hour journey, 3-4-hour journey. It can stretch that much. So you can see there and there. Now only it is little bit smoky. So during December it will be much more smokier, foggier. Yeah. So guys, come on. We came in this Innova vehicle. This is the driver. You can see. This is the vehicle we came in. Now we are in highway. Time is almost 1 o'clock. 12:47. Now let's see what. It's Ertiga, not Innova. Yeah, next what we have to do. Let's see. So hello guys. Now we are sleeping. Arjun was feeling sleepy, so we are currently on side of highway, sitting and sleeping. After he wakes up, we will be continuing the journey towards any side. Don't know which side. Towards which side the lorry or any vehicle will be getting while hitchhiking. That way we will be going. It's cold actually. You can see that's full cold smoke, fog, smoke. Yeah. Guys, it is becoming more and more colder. As you can see, those people can hardly see the road there, over there, if you are seeing properly. That much fog has appeared. So, collected these firewoods, dry woods from that place near highway. And now we will have to light it up and make a small fire and take up the heat. That's all. That's it. Go on one left now. Look at there. We are sitting in the bus stop right now. I have to pass this overbridge and get to the end of it to get the next vehicle maybe. So let's go. After some time, yeah. So guys, this is where yesterday we were sleeping. Now we are going to continue the journey towards front and try to hitchhike from there. Let's go. Yep. Guys, we are in a place called Gobiganj. We are currently walking. And even though now time is 9 o'clock, it still feels cold here. You can see the locals, everyone wearing sweater and standing overcoat. Anyway, we have to cross that overbridge and see how it is going from there. Going to Kanpur. Some very fresh imli from outside. Now they are mixing it with salt and other spices just for the taste. Guys, this afternoon 12 o'clock. We are stopped in a dhaba nearby highway for having lunch. You can see people bathing and cleaning themselves up with the water in that tank. So let's go and eat. It's evening. You can see the sun. We are getting down in Kanpur just now. So guys, this is the lorry we came from. UP, there near Kashi towards Kanpur. Now we are going to search for the next vehicle. There is a sun, very orange color. Let's go. So guys, good. This lorry has stopped. Let's see, will they take us? See, full smoke. Whole road is smoke. This is they burn the farmers will burn the balance of what they get from farming. That waste they burn, and due to that, full road is polluted. Not polluted, fully smoked. About kilometers that fields are there. So that much smoke is coming into the road. Guys, got another lift. This is the boy. आपका नाम?
शाहिद खान.
शाहिद खान. Okay. आपका घर यूपी पे है?
मेवात.
हाँ?
हरियाणा मेवात.
हरियाणा. Oh, ठीक है. हाँ. Arjun is with us here only. We are going. Guys, he's the guy who took us till here. Now he's this and all is Misho stuff. He's delivering it to Surat. So on the way near a toll gate, he has dropped us. From here we have to go. Let's go. So guys, this guy here, while we were standing there, he called us and asked where we want to go. He's going till some place called near Agra. So we are also planning to go with him right now. Hi. आपका नाम? Hi, hello. ठीक है जी. Okay. So guys, we got next lift. It's going till Chandigarh. So don't know. In middle we may get down or go till there. Don't know anything. No plans at all. Let's go. हमारे पास है तुमको. Now we have sided up a vehicle. We are going to eat from this dhaba. Yeah. Let's go. Sit over there like this. You can see him cutting coal for cooking and other stuff for the kitchen. Currently we are here. We go that way, Firozabad, Delhi, Madura, Agra, everywhere we can go. Here's the lorry. Currently we are in rain. हाँ ठीक है.
ऐसे सोते हैं गर्मियों में ना.
हाँ.
ऐसे गर्मी होती है ज़्यादा.
हाँ ठीक है.
हम भी ऐसे सोते हैं दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट AC लगा के.
So guys, he has opened this back door for us. We can sleep inside, he told. It is Kali Gadi, so like empty Gadi, so we can sleep inside. He has given permission for that. So let's go. It is too cold also outside. Let's go in. Good night. So he has given us space to sleep inside. We can sleep. There's blanket and everything over down here. Okay. There, as you can see, full blanket and every setup is made. Now we just have to sleep. That's all. Okay. So guys, had a very good night's sleep. Now heading towards front. Started again. So guys, go down. This is the lorry we came in. It's going towards Firozabad. So we thought we'll get on here. If we go straight, we'll get Agra. Let's go. So they're helping everyone who is showing their hand. We also showed hand, so they stopped for us also. They are getting down now. Guys, go down in highway. We have to go inside road for Agra. As you can see there, Agra, yeah. So let's go.
Well, they asked. Oh,
Okay, okay. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
ताजमहल से आगे भी जाना कहीं?
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
ये ताजमहल तो आज बंद है।
Oh, ठीक है. क्यों?
आज शुक्रवार है, शुक्रवार को ताजमहल।
Guys, this is Yamuna. If you go that side, you can find Taj Mahal over there. But today it is unfortunately
ताजमहल
holiday. Ah, okay, okay. And other Lal Killa and other things can be seen from here. Little bit. So let's go straight anyway. You can see things. Guys, currently from where we are, 200 kilometer from here to Delhi. You can see written over there. Yeah. So came to Agra to see Taj Mahal, but Taj Mahal is off today because of Friday prayers, and only those who do come for mosque over there can visit Taj Mahal today. So we'll be going straight from here. Let's see where we'll end up. These and all are the streets of Agra. Let's buy something to eat. And you can get cheap food. Chole bhatura 20 rupees ke do, like that. Cheap food, and we can see on sides. We are in Agra right now. Let's go. So guys, now we are inside SRK Mall. Just for looking around came and to use the washroom. Yeah. So in Agra, we are in front of SRK Mall. We just went in this side and came out. Now we have to go to next destination. This is Agra. So you can see. So guys, now we are in streets of Agra. You can see how dark it is. Very narrow, small roads. Not very much clean also, but still they have maintained it. Sure. Yeah. What kind of things? Dogs. Let's go this way. Some houses don't even have the electricity service. Let's go. Very small streets. What none? How you will walk there? Again. People live here in these places. It's like slum. Yeah, but not that cruel. Let's go. You see sweets making from peda. Food street actually. Everything is there. We are in Agra market. Agra market. You can see the roads. Even for walking, traffic is there. This is like a point where four of the road can come and meet. Now we are going by this way. You can see you can see people coming even though the track is closed. You can see how they go. They will keep it like that, then go, then cross there. That also went to the wrong side. When bullets, everything. So guys, now we are going to the railway station. This is the way towards the Agra Khan railway station. Let's go to Agra Khan railway station. Let's go. Let's go. And see Agra. And all it is very beautiful to see Agra. Lightings. We are on the way to railway station. This is in front of railway station. Not even space to walk actually. This is railway station front. Over there. Where is the railway station? So currently we are in Agra Khan station, railway station. That's the railway station. We thought of sleeping over here. We have put our sheet over there. There and other people are sleeping on this circle. You can see over there. Still it is crowded. It's 11:23 now at night. So let's see if we can sleep or someone will come and tell us to go from the station. We can't be permitted to sleep here. Don't know. Anyway, gonna sleep. Balance where it is coming. Let's see. So guys, there we were sleeping, but it was too much noisy. Here also noise is there, but not that much. So we came on to little bit this side, onto road. There's some kind of restaurant in train or something. Onto road we have come. There is Arjun sitting there, viewing Instagram. Now time is 12:33. Yeah, so gonna sleep now. Yeah.